Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Self-Care Saturday. Today, we are going to be talking all about face masks. So I have provided in the video description a link to a website that has 15 different recipes for different face mask recipes. If you have never done a face mask before, there's all different kinds of face masks that you can do. So there's some of them moisturize, some of them exfoliate, some of them are targeted for oily skin, some are targeted for dry skin, some are targeted for treating acne and acne scars, some are targeted just to refresh your face. Speaking of, there is a recipe in that video description, and it's got cucumber and banana and a couple other ingredients in there. I've done that one personally and I am obsessed with it. It's a really nice one for in the summertime when you get kind of hot and sticky. You just put this cucumber mask on your face and it's so nice and cold and it just refreshes you. It feels like you had like a full body shower, but you just did a face mask for 10 minutes. So yeah, that's what is so great about these face masks. And yeah, some of them are 10 minutes, some of them you put on before you go to bed, and then you take them off in the morning. And then depending if you have combination skin, you can do, lots of times the T-zone is an oily zone, right? And then our cheeks aren't as oily. So if we're using the same kind of mask on our T-zone as we are for our cheeks, lots of times those skins, areas have different needs. So you can do what is called a multi-masking technique, where you have one kind of mask in your T-zone and you have another kind of mask on your cheeks. So yeah, lots of these recipes use ingredients that you find in your home. We hope you give some of them a try. We promise you will not regret it. And if you do give us a try, let us know. Send us a message with which face mask you used. And if you don't want to do the DIY option, there's lots available at your local drugstores or grocery stores as well. So yeah, we hope you guys have fun trying out the masks and have a good Saturday. Bye, guys.